Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
आज हमने दिल का हर किस्सा तमाम कर दिया। आज हमने दिल का हर किस्सा तमाम कर दिया। खुद भी पागल हो गए, तुमको भी पागल कर दिया।
प्यार की एक तीर ने दोनों को घायल कर दिया। खुद भी पागल हो गए, तुमको भी पागल कर दिया। We love no matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown. Through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are awake with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your loving smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day.
Assalamu alaikum Habibi. Many happy returns of the day, sir.
क्या बताऊँ सर, आपसे तो बहुत डर लगता है, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज के दिन आपको इस लुक से डरा दूँ।
Hello sir, wish you very many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Wishing you happy birthday Gurudev. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwaram. Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurudev Namah.
Hello Seshav sir, wishing you a very happy birthday.
આજે તો બોસનો બર્થડે છે બોસ.
Happy birthday, Shaishav sir.
Hey Shishir sir, many happy returns of the day and a very happy birthday to you.
Hi Shaishav sir, wishing you a many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday sir.
Hi Shaishav sir, wishing you very happy birthday.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday Shaishav.
કોરોના વૈશ્વિક મહામારી ઓય માય ગોડ સોરી આ તો એક અલગ વસ્તુ માટે જ રેકોર્ડિંગ થઈ રહ્યું છે. હે ઇટ્સ યોર બર્થડે ટુડે આઈ સપોઝ રાઈટ. વિશિંગ યુ અ વેરી હેપી બર્થડે શેષવ સર.
Happy birthday sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. Live long and continue to inspire the youth like us.
Happy birthday Shaishav sir. Many happy returns of the day.
Hey brother, from another mother, right? આપણી કલર કોડ ચોઈસ હોય ડ્રેસીસની કે પછી આપણા થોટ્સ હોય, વી આર ઓલમોસ્ટ લાઈક સિબ્લિંગ્સ. આઈ નો ઇટ્સ યોર બર્થડે, ચિલ. મને શું કીધું હતું કે યુ હેવ ટુ શેર સમ ફની એક્સપિરિયન્સ. આઈ વોઝ થિંકિંગ કે કયો મોસ્ટ ફનીએસ્ટ હતો. હવે આપણે 10 યર્સમાં વોટ એવર એક્સપિરિયન્સ વી રિમેમ્બર, ઇટ્સ ઓલવેઝ ફની, રાઈટ? પણ યુ રિમેમ્બર દેટ સોમનાથ મંદિર આગળ હું પ્રેસવાળો અને પછી જે માર પડી હતી તમને અને યજુને, મજા આવી ગઈ હતી ને. હવે લાગે છે ને હસવું આવે છે, ત્યારે કેટલું બધું ટેન્શન લાગતું હતું. સો આઈ થિંક આવા બહુ બધા એક્સપિરિયન્સ હશે. અચ્છા, એક બીજું યાદ કરો, ઓલી ધમકી યાદ છે? મારે કોઈને પૈસા આપવાના બાકી હોય તો હું ફોર્ચ્યુનર લઈને તો ન જ ફરું. સો ઇન શોર્ટ, યોર ટંગ ઇઝ શાર્પર દેન માય ટંગ. એનીવેઝ, વોટ એવર, ગુડ ઓર બેડ, હેપી ઓર સેડ, બધા એક્સપિરિયન્સ જેટલા બી આપણે યાદ કરીએ એ બધા મજા જ આવે છે.
મે ઇટ બી કિરીટ શાઉટિંગ ઓન કિરીટ ઓર કેતનની બજાવવાનું. ઇટ હેઝ બીન ઓલ વન્ડરફુલ એન્ડ ઇટ હેઝ બીન ઓલ થ્રિલિંગ વિથ યુ. I would really say, sir, that I wish you the day full of enjoyment and full of memories. And this is a small initiative which we all have done to bring smile on your face. And I would say that you have been the pillar of EM Gujarat. And I wish that in coming years we all stay strong. And I have got to learn more and more from you. And I wish that I keep on learning more and more with you. And बहुत बातों થઈ ગઈ. Wish you a very happy birthday.
You always be a friend, philosopher and guide to me. In my any such times when I feel low, you're always there to support me. Once again, happy birthday sir.
The way you lead a team, the way you make your team work together, this thing always inspire us. I hope कि सब लोग इससे एग्री होंगे. सर बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपके साथ काम करना, आपके अंडर काम करना, आपसे सीखना, आपको देखना कि आप किस तरह से कोई भी काम को आप पॉसिबल कर देते हो. चाहे वो कोई एक इवेंट हो जैसे कि डिस्कवरिंग मी, या फिर कोई भी एक ट्रिप हो जो आप हमारे लिए प्लान करते हो. लाइक आई लव द वे यू वर्क. एंड हमेशा मैंने उससे सीखा है कि अगर आपको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है तो यू हैव टू वर्क. एंड दैट्स इट सर. लाइक थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल दिस. And once again, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Right now I'm just recalling one of them are when we visited Cygnus World School and we met director. She was just describing herself and her past, that I was born and brought up in Pune. I have done my schooling in Pune, college is in Pune, and Pune is I was in Pune since so many years. At the end of conversation, yes, you was just asking again, so innocently to ma'am, but you basically from. So I just besides sitting to you and saying, Sheshav, she's from Pune. So that was kind of funny moments I just recalling right now. Stay blessed, stay healthy, just the way you are.
पहला वाला है जब हम दोनों वाड़द जा रहे थे बाइक पे, तो किसी ने सर पे थूका था. फिर बाद में एक दूसरा है जो छाछ वाला, जो डिस्कवरिंग मी से रिटर्न आ रहे थे, तो छाछ उन पे गिर गई थी, तो पूरे कपड़े उनके बिगड़ गए थे, फिर आपको मतलब जानबूझ के नहीं गिराया था, गिर गए थे, तो मैंने चेयर जैसे ही खिसके आप नीचे गिर गए थे। फिर
मेरी मूवमेंट रही थी तो वो थी जाम्बू घोड़ा, जहाँ पे आपने सबको एक टास्क परफॉर्म करने के लिए बुलाया था, गैदर किया था, तो जल्दी जल्दी जाना था। टास्क वॉज लाइक अर्ली मॉर्निंग, तो कोलगेट की जगह मैंने ओडोमस इस्तेमाल कर लिया था, तो इट वॉज लाइक रियली फनी मोमेंट टिल नाउ। सो एन्जॉय योर डे, यू आर ए ग्रेट बॉस, तो सबके खाते में 1000 रुपये डाल दो तो हम लोग पार्टी कर लेंगे। सर लॉकडाउन में कहाँ मिलना, कहाँ पार्टी वार्टी होगी सर। सो आई होप, लव यू सर।
The best memories I have with you is Abu trip of course, especially that bonfire night जहाँ पे सब एक दूसरे की खींच रहे थे, especially मोहित सर जो किसी को नहीं छोड़ रहे थे और आप उन्हें चुप करवा देते थे by being so sarcastic and hilarious. That moments become very epic and आपने उस दिन बहुत सारी mimicries भी की थी, so yes we want to see that mimicries again and yes, Abu trip was full of good and funny memories I have with you.
Talking about the memories that we shared together right from the day when I came in to give the interview, and you asked me about my weaknesses and I said that I'm an emotional person. The sarcastic smile that you gave me at that point of time, I'm going to remember it forever. પછી તમને યાદ છે જ્યારે મારો ટો નેલ આખો તૂટી ગયો હતો ત્યારે યુ વર લાઈક હવે તો નેલ પોલિશનો ખર્ચો ઓછો, એક નખ પર નેલ પોલિશ તારે લગાવવી જ નહીં પડે. ઓલો ગરમ તવો બી તમને યાદ જ હશે જેની પર તમે આટલું બધું હસ્યા હતા. You might also remember mimicking me sitting at the back of me and thinking that I'll not get to know, but there was a glass besides us and we all could see what you were doing. I am reminding you of all of this to let you know that I cherish you for the kind of lively person you are, for the kind of personality you are, and because of you the entire team is so lively. Please stay like this. Please be what you are and always cherish us in the same manner. Once again, a very, very happy birthday to you and thank you for being you. Happy birthday, sir.
Sir, I wanted to tell you one thing. You are the best travel partner I ever had. Reason 10 साल में जितनी ट्रिप्स आपके साथ करी है उतनी ट्रिप्स तो मैंने मेरी वाइफ के साथ भी नहीं की। श्योर आपको भी याद होगा आपकी एसेक्स फॉर के लॉन्ग ड्राइव के चक्कर में हम सापुतारा पहुंच गए थे। आई एम श्योर यू आर ऑल्सो चेरिशिंग दोज मेमोरीज एंड wish you a very happy birthday once again. Have a nice day. गांजाना जय श्री राम।
सो आपको याद है रुचि मैम और मैंने आपके साथ प्रैंक किया था जो टी शर्ट पे जो दुबई से इताद ने भेजी थी, उसके बाद आपने हम पे कितना गुस्सा किया था और कितने हंसे थे आप, और उसके बाद आप पे छाछ गिरी थी तो आप ना तो हम हंस पा रहे थे ना कुछ बोल पा रहे थे. सो ऑल दिस मोमेंट आर वेरी प्रीशियस. I will never forget this moment and I always want to work with you, and once again wishing you a very very happy birthday and God bless you. Thank you.
जनरली हम रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जाते हैं और आपकी एक हैबिट है कि आप कोई भी वेटर को पूछ लेते हो कि भैया आप कौन से गांव से आए हो, और वो बंदा आपको सामने रिप्लाई देता है कि XYZ गांव से मैं आया हूँ, और उसके बाद मेरा हमेशा रिप्लाई रहता है कि हमारे सर भी वही गांव से आए हैं. Once again happy birthday sir.
And the past 4 years of journey with the extra marks, there are so many memories with you, like the Jambu Goda first memory, then we have memory of the Gir trip, then Mount Abu and Ranthambore. There are so many memories which you are associated and which we never forget, and we have enjoyed a lot, and we get your full support in past years, and we hope we will get the same support in future as well. Thank you so much.
My funny memories with you are, you have given me 2 names. One is Komalika, and the second name is this Pikachu, because I was wearing that hoodie while our Abu trip with 2 antenna on my head, right? So you have given me that name, but I am not able to recollect why you have given me the name Komalika, and I don't know why, but still I'm enjoying that name. So thank you so much for giving me that name, and hope we can make lots of memories and lots of funny memories with all the team, and we soon we plan our Udaipur trip as well, right? So enjoy your birthday, and जब ये lockdown reopen हो तो we want a grand party. So happy birthday once again. Enjoy your birthday. Take care.
I've had the pleasure of knowing you for the past few months, and I might not have created a lot of memories with you. But however less, be it the adventurous Mount Abu trip or your trips to Vadodara, all remind me of your fun-filled, modest and humorous personality. Hoping to create many moments in future as well. Once again, on your special occasion, would like to thank you for being a constant source of inspiration, a true leader and a mentor. Have a fantabulous day and year ahead. Bye-bye.
उबाल सा सख्त है तू ढाल सा रक्त तू उबाल सा सख्त है तू ढाल सा भारत कहे वीर सा मेरा पुत्र प्रताप है प्रचंड तू अखंड तू सूर्य सा भी ताप है मातृभूमि गर्व करे मेरा पुत्र प्रताप है
चढ़ा रक्त का टीका है मिट्टी को माये मारे देशभक्ति का मोल है जो मेवाड़ी राणा जाने
सुन साहस इस पूत का देश का